Hi, I'm Sunitha, and my presentation will compare and contrast the two big fast food companies, the traditional McDonald's versus modern company Taco Bell. McDonald's is an American multinational fast food chain founded in 1940, serving over 69 million customers daily in over 100 countries with more than 40,000 outlets. Taco Bell is an American based chain of fast food restaurants founded in 1962, serving 5.5 million customers daily at around 7,000 restaurants. Let's start compare and contrast value discipline at both of these companies. McDonald's value proposition includes convenient location, comfortable seating, and in-store facilities, fast and efficient service, consistent quality menu items, distinct products, good value offering, and pricing list. These are the values that differentiate McDonald's from its competitors. They are doing an outstanding job at operational excellence. Coming to Taco Bell, their value proposition comes from the thought making good food. They established a business model focused on feeding people and feeding them quickly and cheaply. They were able to achieve this through good operational strategies with inventory management, worker utilization, labor cost, etc. So, as you can see, McDonald had broader value proposition, but Taco Bell focuses mainly on the quality and the quick service. So now let's compare their market segments and the customers. McDonald uses two types of segments, multi-segment positioning and adaptive positioning. Adaptive positioning means periodically they make changes to the products according to the customers' preferences and tastes. In the multi-segment, they focuses on urban, rural areas, ages between 6 and 70, all gender, and mainly low and middle class income people. Taco Bell's market segment attention is focused on the lower middle class, lower and middle, and as well as the upper income group too. And their demographic based segmentation is geared towards younger people and kids between the ages of 18 and 35. Taco Bell has positioned itself as a restaurant with healthier fast food, so there is definitely differences between their market segmentation. Now, let's compare and contrast how these companies are building relationship and loyalty with customers. At McDonald's, customer loyalty is much more than just a reward program. They are giving rapid digital customer growth across the business by launching new digital experiences with My McDonald Rewards app and enhanced mobile order and pay capabilities and providing personalized customer engagement. Taco Bell uses a system that grants customers rewards points for every dollar spent, and these points can be redeemed for free menu items. Taco Bell also promotes personalization by analyzing customers' favorite orders and offering them novel reward items. So, both companies are using rewards and mobile app and other features to build the loyalty with customers, and they are succeeding. So, the next one to compare feature is the AI usage for marketing. So, how these companies are doing. So, McDonald's collaborated with an author and digital designer uh, to create an ad that uses a neural radiance fields to generate a 3D environment via AI. Mobile app along with AI analytics enabled McDonald's to turn away from mass marketing and focus on personalized marketing. The company boasts about their customer churn model as well, which predicts the probability of a customer will stop going to McDonald's. If the model predicts a high value for this, McDonald's tries to get the customer with the high value offers and try to retain them. Coming to Taco Bell, the most important ingredient to their success is the data. They were able to transform raw data into a meaningful customer experiences and profound strategic insights. They partnered with omnichannel company to provide its 5 million app users with personalized menu recommendations, more efficient supply demand algorithm that accurately predicts and suggests orders. With this information, the managers have the ability to only order the ingredients which they need. A lot of cost savings there. With AI, they can do a predictive market mapping to find out how much revenue a restaurant will generate and decide which location will be the best to open new restaurants. Taco Bell may have a little upper hand on the use of AI. Maybe that's because McDonald's came into the AI market a little later. And now let's compare their digital transformation. So, in recent times, major digital transformation McDonald's is undertaken is their Experience of the Future initiative. Part of the aggressive action is to become more contemporary and relevant against the intensifying marketplace competition. With this, they have renovated and upgraded most of their restaurants to provide modern dining experience to customers. Under this new format, customers can order food using touchscreen kiosks and can get tableside food delivery, mobile payments, ordering, etc. Coming to Taco Bell when the coronavirus pandemic hit, as you can expect, most customers prefer to get their food where human contact is at its minimum. Taco Bell acknowledged the significant importance of this, and they built this drive-through business uh, through mobile locations. These mobile location features drive-through lanes, which provides quick service to customers, and it's packed with other impressive technology like smart kitchen that allows them to detect the arrival of the customer. They can even suggest the fastest route to reach there. Taco Bell focused on providing customer a quick and contactless service with technology, while McDonald's leveraging this digital technology to provide convenient ordering and payment while engaging the customers with personalized experiences. So now look at their digital maturity. So I would say both McDonald's and Taco Bell are digitally maturing organizations and they are progressing well. According to the Accenture, McDonald's is one of the 8% companies who have boldly and successfully pursued innovation. Their revenue growth during the pandemic can be largely attributed to its extensive investments in digital technology and massive culture transformation. They have even started using AI voice attendants to take orders instead of human workers, help to reduce wait times by almost a minute per order. They also piloted AI powered devices that scan license plates to predict orders. McDonald's key focus is building on their digital presence to bring fast, easy, and more personalized experiences for their customers. Now let's look at Taco Bell. Taco Bell is regarded as the most innovative franchise. In 2018, Taco Bell even received an innovation award for its self-servicing technology using Android architecture in its kiosks. Taco Bell has switched its target audience to the tech-savvy millennials. To attract these customers, they extensively leverage the social media campaigns through Twitter, Snapchat, etc. And they are expecting a future where 50% of its sales comes from digital channels. And the last one, the use of AI analytics to make personal decisions. For business development, McDonald's has been constantly taking and analyzing vast amounts of customer data. They optimize the supply chain, digital menus, and of course, all these decisions will have impact on the personnel hiring and promotions. Depending on this data analytics result, they can analyze which stores and what times the traffic is high, and they can adjust the number of employees working on each shift. Taco Bell follows the similar strategy. They use the AI to predict how much revenue a restaurant will get by looking at the area population, household income, unemployment rate, and calculate the foot traffic by the hour. From this, they are able to identify high potential areas which will be recommended to develop more restaurants or hire more personnel. So I would say both companies are taking similar measures and taking advantage of data analytics to take decisions regarding personnel. So, my takeaway from this case is I would say digital journey and quick service. I really admire both companies' digital journey and how they emerged as winners from the COVID pandemic, too. They understood technology can be a strategic growth driver and shifted their focus towards the digitalization of the business. These companies are the great example for QSR, quick service restaurants, too, especially Taco Bell with their healthy and quality food choices. Two things I would say probably avoid or would like to see changing: offering more healthy food, especially from McDonald's. Next concern is that workers in the fast food industry are paid low wages, so they need to focus on raising the benefits for employees and not only customers. Thank you for watching the presentation, and here are my references.